Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up Snapchat, then click on your profile icon on the top left and scroll down until you see Snap Map. And once you're on here, you can just move around on the map until you see these blue and yellow images on here, and you can just click on one and that'll bring up somebody's account, and all you need to do is click on these three dots on the bottom right and scroll down and you should have the option to add on there. So that's how you can find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. Thanks for watching.